Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Samsung Watch without resetting it. First, ensure your watch has at least 50% battery life and your smartphone is fully charged. Next, confirm that the Galaxy Wearable app is already installed on your new phone. Having the app ready beforehand streamlines the entire connection process significantly. This preparation saves you valuable time and prevents any interruptions during the setup. Make sure both your Samsung Watch and your new smartphone are fully charged before you start. It's also important to disable Bluetooth on your old phone completely. This action prevents your watch from trying to connect to the incorrect device, which can cause delays. A full charge ensures you have enough power for the entire pairing process, which might take a few minutes. Additionally, update your watch's software if a new version is available. Now, open the Galaxy Wearable application on your new smartphone. Tap the Start button, which usually appears prominently on the main screen. You will then see a list of available devices. Select your specific Samsung Watch model from this list. A unique pairing code will appear on both your phone and watch. Carefully compare these two codes to ensure they match exactly before proceeding to the next step. After selecting your watch model, observe your watch screen for a confirmation prompt. It will typically display the same pairing code you saw on your phone, asking for your approval. Tap the check mark or confirm button on your watch to accept this new pairing. This action securely links your watch to your new phone without initiating any factory reset. Your personal data, settings, and activity logs will remain completely intact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.